Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to connect Facebook and Shopify. Facebook and Shopify connect with each other through a pixel. Pixel is basically a bridge that connects both of them. It stores data that comes to our website and learns how people are coming to our website and how people are buying from our website. To connect both of them, we will first go to Shopify. Here we will go to Apps and download Instagram, Facebook, and Instagram. I am telling you that if your pixel is already created on Facebook, then I am telling you how to connect Pixel and Shopify. And if you want to see how to create a pixel, then there is a video on this channel. So here we will go to get started. After get started, connect account will come here. Click on it. Your ID should be open on this browser, otherwise it will ask for logins from you. This is our ID, it will connect with Shopify. Now here we have a BM. BM is basically a business manager who has an ad account. So I have all these BMs, you will have one or two. So in your BM, you know that you have an ad account, so you have to go to it. And like this, I have to connect its ad account. I have connected it. Here we do maximum. And these are pixels. All the pixels in this BM are showing here. So here we will see this pixel is coming with both name and ID. As you can see, here we have a case that we have the same name. In this situation, what we will do, we will go to our ad account. This is my ad account. In this, we will go to Event Manager. And here in this ad account, we will go to Dataset. In this dataset, we will see all the pixels, like this pixel, and I have to connect this one. So its ID is 2106. So I will go to Shopify and I will see which one is 2106. So this one is with me. As you can see, it is starting from 808 and it is ending at 2106. So I have to connect this one. So I will connect this one. Here, if you have other accounts in this BM, you have to uncheck this and confirm. Check I agree to and submit for review. It will take some time. It is taking some time to connect. It will take 1-2 minutes and it will connect. When this process is going on, as you can see, it is written, it takes several minutes. Do not refresh, let it be like this. When it is coming like this, it means our catalog is connected. Now we will click on Reconnect. As soon as change saved will come, we will refresh it. Now we have it. Now our pixel is connected. Now we will go to Create Ad, so it will take us to our ad account with which we are connected. Now we have to check whether our pixel is working properly or not. So we will go to website, and here this is our MetaPixel helpers. So we will check it. Here it is telling us that this pixel is connected with us. It is 2106, and it is telling us that we have page view on this. Now we will go, here it is tracking product page. As soon as we click on Add to Cart, here it is. It means our pixel is working properly. That's all for today. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.